and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air, and that we made for ourselves. This won't be.
Grand Canyon looks awesome. I don't know if you guys can probably hear this, but this echo, watch. Woo! That was awesome.
Be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me?
Jumping off that building at 10 o'clock. I'm a little scared, I'm a little bit. Let's see how it goes. We're live, man. One step out. Fuck! Let's do it. Tell the camera how you feeling. I'm a little nervous. Look, guys. Look at the fucking shit I'm about to jump. I'm a little nervous, but fuck it.
I'm gonna walk right next to you. Just stay where you're at.
Alright.
Come on down a little bit. Stop here. Turn around. Look inside. Another photo.
Big smile. 3, 2, 1. Brakes on.
Give it 1 sec.
Woo!
Alright, so go in front. Put both hands here. Face that way. This will be on your back. One more check, okay?
Alright.
Hands on.
Hands on.
Backup's good.
Backup's good.
Free and clear. Awesome, man. This is where it gets real. Right hand red. Left hand all in this side. Toes on the yellow. Wait for my count.
Woo!
Here he comes. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh shit, wait. Alright, say it again.
All right, here he comes. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh yeah! Woo! Crazy.
Okay. I'm not dying. I'll tell you, bro.
Good? Woo! That shit was crazy.
Get out of here, right this way. That's it, man. Any last words you want to say?
Yeah, yo, this was awesome. Like, everybody should do it. Whoever fucking comes to Vegas. Peace.
Hell yeah.